Dear students, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss distribution of rainfall. And in your book, in your chapter, this is the last topic. Okay? So distribution of rainfall, before that, you know about Indian monsoon and characteristics of Indian monsoon and so many good things, bad things about Indian monsoon and how monsoon occurs in India, factors affecting India's climate, hot season, cold season, retreating monsoon, all that. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss heavy rainfall, distribution of rainfall. Distribution of rainfall dividing into four parts. Divided into four parts. One is heavy region, heavy rainfall region. Second one, moderate rainfall. Third is scanty rainfall. And fourth and the last one is what? Desert and semi-desert rainfall zone. So, we will discuss one by one. First, region of heavy rainfall. As you know, this is the part of Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. Here, monsoon divided into two branches. One is Arabian Sea branch and second is Bay of Bengal branch. Okay? So, first, we will deal with Arabian Sea branch. Where Arabian Sea branch, monsoon, southwest monsoon, enter in India, and this is the part of Western Ghat where this orographic, orogenic rainfall occurs in the part of Western Ghat. This is the heavy rainfall zone. Look at this. This is the area of Thiruvananthapuram where rainfall occurs 325 centimeter, and upper this part we have Goa, and in Goa rainfall occurs 300 centimeter, and when you go above Goa it is Mumbai where 200 centimeter of rainfall occurs. So entire Western Ghat, which is windward side of the southwest monsoon, is heavy rainfall zone. Okay? Now another thing, your most awaited question, why Cherrapunji receives heaviest rainfall in the world? This is the chance to deal here. So I am going to deal here. Bay of Bengal branch, because of pressure difference, that means pressure gradient, some part of the southwest monsoon also goes here and some parts goes this way. Okay? So when moisture laden winds of southwest monsoon heading towards northeast, in the northeast we have Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills, and here is the Assam Himalayan region. Okay? So this southwest monsoon, due to this, it lifted in the orographic rainfall lifted over this Khasi, this is Garo, this Khasi mountain, and the structure of this mountain is funnel shape. Due to this winds, due to this funnel shape and the Himalayan region, Himalayan mountain range, Assam Himalayan mountain range, this winds lifted over this Khasi hills, and due to which this Cherrapunji part occurs heavy rainfall. And the leeward side of this is Shillong, in Shillong, in comparison to this, in Cherrapunji we have 1250 centimeter of rainfall. But on the other hand, in Shillong we have 250 centimeter rainfall only. Okay? So I hope it is clear. Now we are going to discuss moderate rainfall. In this region, one more region is, this is the Assam Valley. Okay? Moderate rainfall. In this, we have 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Okay? In the part of Ganga Valley where southwest monsoon and southwest monsoon of Bengal branch and Assam branch, Arabian Sea branch meet on Ganga Valley. Has been raining. It will be raining here between 100 to 200 centimeter. In the part of Bihar, UP, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. Also, not this part only, the leeward side of Chennai, just suppose leeward side of this Thiruvananthapuram, this western Ghat is Chennai. So Chennai receives only 40 to 50 centimeter of rainfall. But in the Ganga Valley, in the Madhya Pradesh, lower Ganga Valley receives 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. In Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Eastern Maharashtra receives 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Now a scanty rainfall. A scanty rainfall receives distribution of rainfall between 150 to 100 centimeter. In this part, in India, a scanty rainfall part is some part of the Rajasthan, Haryana, upper part of Ganga, that means Uttarakhand, Himachal, and some part of Jammu and Kashmir, this part Punjab and Haryana part, and the eastern side of the Rajasthan receive the scanty rainfall. Now, last one is desert or semi-desert. As you know, this is Aravalli mountain, and this is the Ladakh part where receives the desert or semi-desert rainfall. That means below 50 centimeter of rainfall. Okay? I hope it is clear. And in the next video lecture, I will try my level best to discuss western disturbance and El Nino. Okay? But I hope the thing in your book is the thing in your book has been defined. Okay? Thank you so much.